Did you know how African wild dogs hunt in teams without alerting their prey? Here's their secret. African wild dogs aren't just smart. They have a unique way of communicating. They use body movements, such as tail position, ear posture, and even eye contact to signal their pack members. For example, a raised tail might mean attack now, or ears pointing toward the prey to indicate the target's location. They also rely on facial expressions to convey their intentions. So even without making a sound, they can hunt with flawless strategy. Amazing, right? What do you think? Are there any other animals as clever as this? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you!